Hello, welcome to Plates of Fate. This is a game we're gonna be playing with. Well, today I accidentally said the B word while I was trying to do a video. I ended up deleting it because we are a Christian channel. Not really anymore, but I still believe in God. I really do. Love you, Jesus. Me and my family read the Bible. I call it the Bible. Because it's more cutesy. Alright, get ready to hear the most satisfying thing in the world. That was very cool. That was actually very satisfying. Congratulations, Optimal Doge! If you're literally watching my videos, then good job. So yeah, congrats. You get a friend request. Every single winner will get a friend request, and if you decline it, I'm gonna give you another one. So, yeah. But for this one. Oh, normal! It's not gonna be normal any further. No! That music is still going on. That's starting to get very annoying. At least I won't fall on, beautiful. Nerds. How did you get here? No. That was worthless. That was worthless. That was worthless. That's freaking worthless. How does he have 0 wins? And he's on my plate. Trying to question my sanity. Huh? You gotta win to get a friend request. Alright, I'll set it right here. Yep, it's that plate. You're kidding me. That's what you get, boy. You are kidding me. You are kidding me. Literally. Yes! I won! Woo! GG. Oh yeah, Aga? Alright, are you all ready to see it? You're joking me. You're literally joking me. I don't have any teleportation. What the? What the? What is going on? What is my existence? Look at my character, though. What is this bull? What are these anime girls? Boy, I can sit on this plate. Yes, and I can watch the. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna report you over and over and over using commands. Using commands. Caps. I'm reporting this loser. Your mom is no, not dating. Why do I have hot potatoes? Boy, we can't do anything. The hacker is the worst person in the whole entire universe. Not really. I'm gonna report him over and over again. Roblox! Ban this guy! Using commands. Take it serious. Legit. He's using commands. And if you wanna see, you'll go. And they're all working. See? He's a bot. He's a bot. The cheater is a bot. Guys, take it seriously. He's using hacks. I'll just share the chat for now on. He has bots. Why do I have 5 potatoes? See? He's using links and it's working. Well, anyways, I'm gonna end this video here, and if you find this guy, then make sure to ban his booty. He's a bot. He's like using like stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video off.